They're not the right pink. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss and this is Recoloring Extensions. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday with my own brand of beauty nonsense. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share it with all your friends. Let's get right into this. So I have these extensions that they're one of my clients. We've used them a few times and, have done a great job of matching the color to her desired pink. However, we've recently changed her pink to a more dusty berry Arctic Fox virgin pink with a lovely red root. And we would love to put these extensions back in. However, they are very, very vivid and they're just not gonna work together. So today I'm going to gently lighten them up with a little bit of a low intensity bleach application and then reapplying the desired tone to the extension. So we're gonna start with our lightener. What are we gonna reach for? Our Blondorplex. All right, we're gonna get a scoop now. Let's do 2 scoops. 2 scoops of lightener. And then I'm looking for a very gentle lift. I don't need them to go all the way back to blonde. What I need is to just pull some of this vivid neon magenta sadness. This is like my favorite. Oh, it's my favorite pink. But we're gonna pull this with a gentle lift. So I'm gonna reach for my Color Touch 13 volume, or 4% emulsion, and I'm gonna mix kind of a soupy lightener, like a 3-to-1, 4-to-1. So I've got 2 scoops of lightener. Boop, here in my bowl. I'm just gonna fill her up and give it a gentle whisk. And I'm gonna mix it up. Mix up my lightener. How is your day going, guys? Very, very soupy. Okay, I've got my application brush ready to go. I've got a couple foils here. I've been debating if I was going to use the foils but instead, I'm just gonna grab a little tub and I'm gonna take my extensions. Get that out of the way for a second here. All right. So, I'm gonna start my application up here towards the top. And I'm really looking to saturate these wefts in this low volume lightener. Work it on down. And I'm just gonna work this all the way through each one of our wefts. I just need to pull some of this color buildup, some of the vivid out of it. So we're getting to a lighter pink and then I can even them out. Color correct them to match my homegirl's dusty berry virgin pink Arctic Fox goodness. Okay, here we go. All right, great. Smothered, covered. So each weft, I'm going to repeat this and then pump it right into my tub. Again, I'm just really making sure I'm saturating the entirety of the weft, especially since the larger pieces I have double rowed together. So I really want to make sure I'm getting it from all sides. And these extensions are, if you've watched my Caring for Extensions video, I do use 100% human hair. These were platinum blonde when they were purchased. Now, if I were doing a fresh set of extensions, let's say I'm working with a darkly colored weft, like a black weft, and I wanted to add vivids, I would do a more meticulous painting job through the extensions. But since we're gonna do these pink root to end, and it's just a different pink we're going for, I'm just trying to break up old color. Hey, last one. It's a little guy. She's a little guy. Okay, smothered, covered, stitch to end. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop the lid on my container. I'm gonna set a timer for 30 minutes. I'm gonna check on these while I clean up my mess. And yeah, let's see what we got in 30 minutes. Okay, so I just went and rinsed out the extensions that were sitting with our liquidy, bleachy goodness. And you know, it did a pretty good job. I got a pretty good lift out of it. I was definitely able to pull that buildup of that neon vibrancy. And I've got a good base now to just reapply tone. But that Arctic Fox is a little more dusty. So I'm gonna grab my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. I'm gonna slather it through the extensions, and I'm going to let them sit in purple shampoo for the next like half hour. Oh, I ended up leaving, half an hour wasn't enough for our liquidy lightener application. I ended up leaving it for like a solid hour before I got to where I wanted to be with it. So now we're just gonna get that purple all up in these wefts. I want to kill some of that underlying warmth from the neon. I don't want to see peachy. I don't want to see orangey, brassy. I want like that more dusty berry tone. So we're gonna leave this purple. I'm gonna see if this kills some of that, and then I'm gonna apply the Arctic Fox all over the extensions. And that should get us where we wanna go, yeah. Okay, rinsed out the purple shampoo, the Shimmer Lights. I kind of forgot about it for a bit. It definitely sat for more like an hour. So it got a little lavender, but you know what? It's okay because, found the weft. And I definitely am in my right tonal family, like everything's good. But here's the thing. So I had colored my client with Arctic Fox, right? But then we went in, we did this red root. And the way it's lived in the hair has created almost more of a, well, have a look, more of a light salmony. So I'm like, okay, I like that with the red. I want to keep that in the extensions. So instead of using the Arctic Fox, I went ahead and grabbed my Kiss Hawaiian Fire and diluted it with some white tea conditioner. I mixed that together, so now I have more of that salmon pink tone. Yes, so the gloves are going on. And I went ahead and set the wefts to dry in the good old hood dryer. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna take my weft. You know what? I'm gonna move you guys. I want you to see this. Okay, so got my color. We're just gonna paint her on. So I really didn't need to kill all of that more. Pro tip, don't forget you have shimmer lights sitting on extensions. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat that on all of the wefts and let them marinate for about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse them out and show you guys what we got. Okay guys, here is the rinsed out result. I got that beautiful, more salmon pink now. There's still a few cooler, more magenta pieces, but I'm actually okay with it. I think this is gonna blend really well into her existing color. I'll probably touch her up with the same Hawaiian Fire, just real quick through the ends, so that they blend nicely when she clips these in. So I still have to sew clips on them. My job is never done. But yeah, so we did a lot. We did a lot to these. We did our soft lightening, quick toned, forgot about, with Shimmer Light shampoo to kill the more brassiness, which I actually didn't need to do because I needed a warmer pink to blend into the salmon pink that my client currently has. But yeah, now I'm thrilled that we made it through this journey. Yeah, and then we applied the Kiss Hawaiian Fire semi-permanent hair color with the white tea conditioner just to pastelize it a little bit. So I'll probably give these like one more shampoo, but I'm happy. I am happy. Yes, this is going to work with what my client's working with right now. So thank you guys for joining me today. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a like, hit that little like button down there. Subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with my own brand of beauty nonsense. You can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss, and check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. Until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.